So what are the insurance requirements for food trucks in Arizona? Well, if you're looking to become a food truck entrepreneur, you need to be aware of several types of insurances. And of course, this will change and vary by city and county, but in Arizona, food truck operators need to consider various types of insurances and general types of insurances as they are. So, number one, general liability insurance. Now, this insurance covers liability claims related to bodily injury or even property damage caused by your food truck operations. Now, typically, includes legal fees, medical expenses, or even compensation for damages. Your food truck may also need number two, which is commercial auto insurance. Now, necessary for covering any accidents or damages caused by your food truck during your working hours. Now, this includes liability coverage for injuries or even damages to others and physical damage coverage for your food truck itself. Got to keep in mind, if you lose your food truck due to any damage, you are out of business for a long time until it gets fixed. Number three, workers' compensation insurance. Now, if you employ a staff or your food truck operator has many people working in it, workers' compensation insurance is likely required. Pretty much every state, as a matter of fact, requires this. This coverage supports employees who suffer work-related injuries or even illnesses while working on the food truck itself. Next up, number four is product liability insurance. Yes, believe it or not, the food that you're selling and serving through your food truck business can actually get people sick, so that would be considered product liability insurance. Now, this is essential for businesses serving food to the public. This insurance actually protects against claims stemming from foodborne illnesses or injuries caused by consuming your food. A recent law, actually, there was a change in Arizona, has streamlined some aspects of the food truck operators' operations, and the state now requires a single state license for food trucks and prevents cities from mandating owners to have separate insurance policies. Now, it is, of course, crucial and critical to consult an insurance professional. Of course, we are not insurance professionals and we're not trying to sell you insurance, but to give you a rundown of what you might expect if you're looking to launch a Arizona food truck business, a insurance professional will actually determine the specific type of coverage you'll need for your food truck business in Arizona. Now, additionally, some cities or even venues may require you to name them as additional insured or provide proof of insurance before operating in those facilities. So if you're looking to create a food truck business in Arizona, you definitely need to get insurance, and this will give you a great understanding of what you can expect. I'll see you on our next video.